Hi, it's Joe from Level Up Your Gym, and I'm cutting the full intro for the most important tip that has grown our company faster than anything else in the last 2 years. And that is creating joint ventures and strategic relationships in our community. The first step to doing that is critical. You need to identify your target demographic and then find out places they go in town. It sounds really simple, but most people skip that step and they just kind of look around like, oh, we're a fitness studio, maybe physical therapy or chiropractor. If they're not serving your target demographic, it's not going to be the right fit for you. If you serve athlete population and you're like, oh, let me grab a PT, and they serve an elderly population, that's not going to be a fit. So you need to have your demographics identified, and then you search right on Google for companies around you that you think they frequent. The shortcut to all this is to ask your members where they go. What other businesses do you use in town? And then you can use that as an opening to reach out to those companies. That'll do a lot of your research for you. So today's tip, community relationships are critical. Get a list of businesses in your area that serve your target demographic and use the shortcut of just simply asking your members where else they go in town. If you can do that successfully, get the right offer in front of them, you're going to grow like crazy. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and share it with another gym owner using the form below.